Hey everyone. Welcome back. In our last video, we walked through the process of installing DB2 on Cloud Pak for data. In today's video, we'll walk through the necessary DB2 database configurations that need to be done after installing the DB2 database on Cloud Pak for data. First, we will log into the IBM Cloud Pak for data console. Once you log in, click on the navigation menu, go to the service catalog, and search for DB2. As we can see, the DB2 is in an available state. We previously installed DB2 in our earlier video. Next, let's provision the DB2 instance. Simply click on Provision Instance to begin. We have set up a dedicated node for DB2. So we are selecting Deploy Dedicated Node as Yes. After that, click on Next. Check the Oracle compatibility and then proceed by clicking Next again. Here we need to specify how to provide the credentials for DB2. We will select Generate a Kubernetes secret and click on Next. Now in the System Storage and User Storage tabs, since we are utilizing Managed NFS Storage, we will choose the Managed NFS Storage option, specify the desired size, and then click Next. Choose the storage class for backup storage, specify the size and click Next. Choose the archive logs storage and transaction logs storage, then click Next. We will now configure the system according to the user's requirements and finalize the configurations we have implemented. Once finalized, we will click on Create Database, as it will take some time to complete the process. As you can see, the worker nodes are getting created at the backend. While the process completes, let's switch to the Bastion machine, run the command, and check the pods associated with the services. As observed, the pods are currently in the initializing state. After a while, we can see all the pods are in ready and running state. Let's take a look at the Cloud Pak for data console. As we can see, the node preparation process has been successfully completed. Once all the steps are completed, DB2 on Cloud Pak for data will be ready for use, and we can access the database. To access the database, click on the three dots and select Details. This will display all the essential information about the database, including the hostname, port number, and more. The host name is set to a node name because this DB2 database has been deployed on a dedicated node, and if we scroll down, we can also find the port number. So, that's a quick rundown of how you can configure your DB2 database on Cloud Pak for data. As you can see, it's a straightforward process, but it gives you the flexibility to leverage DB2's power while fully integrating with Cloud Pak for data's ecosystem. Thank you for watching. For more information regarding Cloud Pak for data, reach out Vericitas Solutions Private Limited.